take me high. Show me things I've never seen. I'm looking for atonement. Can you give me one?
Planning unique homes? Let me show you this one. 8,000 square meter land, over 650 construction, just the villa. Let's go inside. 77 square meter entrance, and right next to it, the first 2 bedrooms. $228 square meter living space. This space includes you a nice work spot with direct access to the garden, the kitchen, the living room, and the dining space. And right next to it is the winter garden with 72 square meters. And now, let's see the main bedroom. With 160 square meters, its own jacuzzi bathroom, walk-in closet, and breathtaking ocean views. And now, let's go and see the guest hub. With 120 square meters, completely separate from the villa, 2 bedroom, its own kitchen, its own work spot, and amazing ocean views. Spacious 170 square meter pool and chill area. And the latest and of course most important, the grill spot. You get a fish business already producing income. You get a green pigeon peas, you get different banana trees, you get tomatoes, you get paprika, you get papayas. Not long drive to your fresh vegetables and fruits. If you're looking for a property where you have a separate space to have someone who takes care about your home while you are out of the country, then this is the perfect property. Because here you have a little house with 2 bedrooms, bathroom, kitchen, and a separate entrance for your gardener or for your garden. And at the left you have the machine room with the pump, 19 solar panels with a 6 kV inverter, 4 batteries, 6 kV electric generator, 50,000 gallons water cistern, and a 100-meter deep water well, so you never will run out of water or electricity. If you want to have more information about this unique breezy home, call me today to schedule a viewing appointment.